Bringing you real-time news updates from NaijaNews TV. Social media is buzzing as popular personality Bobrisky confirms plans to marry, revealing details about the location of the wedding, Aso Ebi prices and more in a post on Instagram. In the post, Bobrisky shared that the Aso Ebi for females will cost 2 million naira, while the men's cap is priced at 1 million naira. He also disclosed the locations for different wedding events, including the introduction, engagement, white wedding, and honeymoon. The post to read, "My wedding is gonna be a bomb. Female Aso Ebi, 2 million naira. Men's cap, 1 million naira. Wedding details include introduction, Nigeria, engagement, London, white wedding, USA, honeymoon, Greece." She however stated, "Broke asses are not invited, please." As the announcement gained attention online, many concerned individuals flooded the comment section sharing their thoughts. However, Bobrisky pens a message for his future mother-in-law as he promises to spoil her with gifts when he marries her son. He took to his Instagram page to make his intentions known as he looked forward to his married life. According to Bobrisky, his mother-in-law is in for a life of luxury since he intends to get her loads of jewelry. He said, "My future mother-in-law, be ready to get spoiled. I'm dating you, not my husband, cause your love come first before my husband. You see all that my expensive gold jewelry, we're gonna rock it together. I'm gonna love you, respect you, and give you your flower for taking care of my husband. I pray you will still be alive, future mother-in-law, to witness your son wed the most stylish girl in Africa." While this has generated mixed reactions, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section as we continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.